Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to download and set up Parrot OS in VirtualBox in less than 5 minutes. So go to official Parrot OS website, scroll down and find the OVA file. So OVA file is basically a pre-built VM. So no pain installing step by step, just grab the file like a free pizza. So here are the multiple options: live, virtual. So we are going to use the VirtualBox and then the security edition, and then architecture. We are going to choose the AMD 64. So this is how the GUI looks like. And here is the default credentials. And above you can see the download options. So let's download. So there are two options. One is torrent and the second one is direct download. So we are going to uh, choose the direct option. I'm not a torrent fan. So I have already downloaded the file, so I'm canceling it for now. Let's see the folder where I saved the OVA file. All right, so let's check the properties. So open virtualization format archive. The OVA file size is 6 GB. So go to the VirtualBox. If you don't have it, go download it real quick. It's free, don't worry, there is no hidden charges. Open the file, and instead of creating a new VM from scratch, we are doing it the lazy pro gamer move. So just import the file from the downloaded folder. And if you want to change the default settings, you can change it. You can provide the CPU, RAM. Uh, Also, you can do it later. So I'm gonna change the name, Parrot OS test, and then RAM. Let's finish. So the appliance is importing here. You can see 1%, 2%, and boom, 100%. Now we can see the Parrot OS test. The machine is created now. Let's review the settings once again. So if you want to change the base memory or RAM or whatever, so you can change it. And the type is Debian, disk encryption, processor. So if you want to change it, you can change all these settings. Otherwise, keep it as it is, and whenever needed, you can adjust it. All right, let's double click on the new VM or start it. So once we hit start, we can sit back and admire your hacking themed desktop. So now you can see the booting started for the Parrot OS. So personally, I like Parrot OS because it has the enum surf feature that I personally really like, and the UI is clean than Kali. So here we can see the Parrot OS started, guys. So if you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.